again. Welcome to yet another installment of the Budget Rallycross build. Today, we are going to put snow tires on the front. Alright, we have some used Ford Fusion wheels and tires. They have a 235 width to them, up from our 215. And their snow tires and they're wider. However, they don't exactly fit. I think they hit the control arm. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fix that issue. All right, we're gonna fix that issue. We have some 25mm thick spacers. So we're gonna take the stock wheel off, bolt these spacers on, and bolt the new wheel on. Yep.
Nice tight and magnetic screw.
All right, side one done. Seems to work. There's the control arm up there. And yeah. All right, now we have some wider snow tires on with our spacers. And I guess we're gonna go for a test drive.
All right, thank you much.
See how it goes.
Negative. Be free, my child.
Yeah, and we're gonna go get food. Okay. Don't get close up. It's not terrible. Like it's not the worst.
Dude, it's coming along pretty good, I think. Look at the overspray. Holy. Oh well.
It's not the worst.
Close up.
Alright, come on. I thought you gave him the camera to film with.
That would have been a good idea. He's got the camera.
All right, Quinn. Rides in your shit box here. How we doing?
Oh, we're doing good. I mean, it's an amazing shit box. I mean, the drive's great. I'm just hoping Jared does some sort of burnout or something to really just let us know how this thing
Really,
works.
like, it's...
That was weird. I never had that sound before. It sounds like it breaks.
We are to Jim and Nina's Pizzeria. You know Nina. We all got one of those.
We all got Nina. Damn. Look how badass that looks.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.